All right, today I'm going to show you how I brush my teeth with baking soda, okay? So I ran out of toothpaste, so I'm going to brush my teeth just for today with baking soda, all right? So I have my toothbrush right here, all right? And then I have pure baking soda right here that I got from Kroger. It says sprinkle some sparkle, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sprinkle some sparkle. Now, sprinkle some sparkle in your hand just a little bit, not too much, not too little. All right, once you have sprinkled some sparkle in your hand, you're gonna wet your toothbrush. All right, wet my toothbrush, wring it out a little bit, and then you're gonna take your toothbrush like this and press it into the sparkle, the baking soda, just like that. And then I'm going to brush my teeth like I normally would with the sparkle on my toothbrush. All right, and that's how you brush your teeth with baking soda. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.